Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I have a luxury hit list and worst list compiled all in one. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna share with you if I have to feel like some of you guys are really upset that I didn't launch makeup, and that is part of the harshness about what I decided to go with first. I'm obsessed with product development. I'm gonna build this thing. I have a huge vision for it. I am currently developing color cosmetics. I wanna do it all, okay? This does not stop here.
Step out, walk on the water, diving into the sky. We're reaching deeper than we ever have before. It feels so alive. This could be something